The drama has already started Gwamselego, so I've just watched this video here on YouTube. Now, if you can't see what's going on, well, that is Musamselego, a Pahla, and things that he's sharing to his ancestors will definitely make you laugh. So let us chat about that and more here on this video. But before going to it, I need to first request you guys to like the video, and if you subscribe to the channel, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scrolling down the channel to watch my previous videos. Enjoy this video. So what's on this table is back, ladies and gentlemen, and by the look of things, Abafazi Musamselego are mopping the floor with him. I even saw Makuma on a trailer telling Umusa that she's tired of the disrespect. Well, Mangwabe tells him shit as always. Now, I was so shocked by his wife number 5 telling him that she drinks alcohol. Remember that Makuma will get into so much trouble for wearing a jean or a gym wear. I want to understand how is Musa going to deal with his drinking wife. And I don't know whether his wife disrespected him because of his actions or the guy just became weak. I mean, he was hospitalized a few weeks back, so we don't know. I guess we're gonna have to see as the show progresses. So in the video that I'm talking about, Umusa Weapah, as I've mentioned, and he's reporting Mangwabe to his ancestors, complaining that Mangwabe is threatening to leave and begging his ancestors to deal with her so that she can respect him again and bring her back when she decides to leave. He also reported to Umaxele stating that Umaxele does no longer have interest in anything that is happening on Msele. She just stays there and watches everything going wrong. He further requested the ancestors to deal with Sneh, stating that Sneh is a problem child and begging the ancestors to deal with her as well and bring her back into her senses. Lol, you know, Sneh and Mangwabe are really stressing Musa out. Let's hope Loak Pahla Zosebenza and everything that is stressing him out will get better as the season progresses. So, with all of that being said, ladies and gentlemen, this is the end of this video. So do comment in the comment section, share your thoughts and opinions with regard to this topic, and if you enjoyed content here on this video, please do like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share the video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even on your TikTok. So thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next video.